Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best neem oil is probably one of the most versatile and effective natural pesticides for indoor plants, offering a powerful defense against a wide array of common pests such as spider mites, mealybugs, aphids, and fungus gnats, without the harmful chemical residues of synthetic pesticides. In this video, we will explore its numerous benefits, proper application techniques, and safety precautions to ensure the health and vitality of your beloved indoor plants. Number 5. Gya Neem Oil. Discover the power of 100% pure, natural neem oil. It's a versatile solution for your skin, hair, and nails. Gently pat a few drops onto cleansed skin daily. It's wonderfully soothing and balances your complexion. Massage it into your scalp for a deeply purifying and nourishing experience. Rinse after 30 minutes for healthy, shiny hair. Apply 1 drop to each nail daily. It's a nail-strengthening oil that will leave your nails looking pink and pristine. Infuse it into your favorite lotions, soaps, and shampoos to create your own customized self-care products. It's unrefined and rigorously tested for purity and quality. Always perform a patch test before use and consult your doctor if you have any concerns. What we like? It's wonderfully soothing and a true skin savior. If you're looking to incorporate neem oil into your skin care, hair care, and nail care routines, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it suitable for various applications, from moisturizing to strengthening. What people say? This is packed very well, almost exquisitely so. This is the best, nourishes skin and great for daily use. It helps with pigmentation and presents any spots, makes your skin look refreshed in the morning. I had read about the prickly pear oil for the face and decided to give it a try. I haven't been disappointed with the results. I have been putting it on a surgery scar that was on my arm. It is taking the redness away and there is no scarring. I have been using it twice a day. Further, it makes my skin smooth and supple. Number 4. Green Alcove Neem Kit. It's all natural, cold-pressed, and contains absolutely no chemicals or additives. You'll love how easy it is to use. This durable amber bottle features a convenient adjustable nozzle. You can easily switch between mist, stream, or off. Say goodbye to messy measuring and oily hands. Our convenient sachets make preparation quick and simple. Avoid wasting neem oil with its short shelf life. Our single-use sachets are perfect for preventing spoilage. The neutral-colored amber bottle looks great in any home, complementing your plants beautifully. It's perfect for both indoor houseplants and outdoor gardens. A must-have for any plant lover. The kit includes 1 amber spray bottle and 5 neem oil sachets, enough to make 80 fluid ounces of spray. What we like? It comes in easy-to-use sachets and a premium spray bottle. If you're looking for a convenient and mess-free way to use neem oil for your plants, this kit is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It eliminates waste and makes plant care a breeze. What people say? It only took 1 application to banish the annual powdery mildew infestation from my mini African violets. I also like that Amazon sells refills. The small packets are a really smart idea. I only needed to use 1 packet for my small plant collection, and I don't have to worry about the rest of the packets. This comes in little oily sachets that are being diluted in the provided bottle with water. Bought it to treat a fungus on my hedge, and it worked a treat. Number 3. Neem oil 32 ounces. It's 100% pure neem oil, with only 1 ingredient, neem. No GMOs, hexane, or other additives, just nature's goodness. This large 32-ounce bottle is better for your wallet and the environment. You get more oil and we use less plastic. It's a top-rated choice for natural garden care. Keep your plants healthy without harmful chemicals. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, it strengthens hair and nourishes skin. Use it in your hair or on your skin for amazing results. Start using it today and see the difference. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a full refund if you're not satisfied. What we like? It's stored in a large, eco-friendly bottle. If you're looking for a cost-effective and environmentally conscious option for your plants, skin, and hair, this is the one for you. The large size makes it great value and reduces plastic waste. What people say? Very high quality oil. It was smooth and the typical odor of neem was not overpowering. The sulfur smell is prominent but not overwhelming. Effective for multiple uses. It's great for treating dry skin and wrinkles, and I've noticed my hair feels healthier and grows faster. The large 32 fluid ounces bottle is a good value for money, and being non-GMO and hexane-free is a plus. The first time I used this oil, it changed my life. I added it to my aloe soap and it pulled the impurities out of my skin. I could see the dirt and dead skin come off as I washed it off, and it made my skin so soft and supple. A little goes a long way. It is a thicker oil, so you don't need to use a lot. Number 2. Plantox Neem Bliss. Introducing Plantox Neem Bliss, pure, unrefined neem oil extracted from neem tree seeds. It's a highly concentrated and effective herbal supplement with many benefits. It's carefully sourced from regions in India known for high-quality neem seeds. Our meticulous cold pressing methods ensure longer-lasting benefits than other brands. This neem seed oil is 100% cold-pressed to preserve natural nutrients and bioactive compounds. This makes it more potent and effective for health and beauty. For centuries, it has been valued for its herbal and cosmetic qualities. The natural blend of vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants promotes healthy-looking skin. When diluted, it's generally safe for use around homes and pets. Because it's so pure, it may solidify at low temperatures, just warm it to thaw. What we like? It's 100% pure, cold-pressed, and highly concentrated. If you value purity and potency in your neem oil, and want to experience the maximum benefits, then you should definitely consider this one. It's perfect for those seeking a high-quality, undiluted product. What people say. Had a serious rose infestation on 50 knockout rose bushes. They were loaded with aphids, rose slugs, and numerous other rose-devouring pests which were destroying all my plants in the landscaping. Did all I could, sprays, hand washing, you name it, and what a nightmare as I watched all the roses drying up and drying because of all the attempts to save them. Researched and decided to do a soil soak with neem oil and Castile soap mix. Mixed up several gallons and went around all the knockouts and other shrubs with around 2 cups on each shrub of the mix. I cannot believe after a few weeks and 3 dousings there's not one stinking aphid or rose slug on any of the knockouts or anything else. It saved my landscaping, and I now give them a dose about every 10 days and water frequently. Still nothing is eating them, and if they do they are dead, dried up, stuck to a solitary leaf or two. I also mix this with a gallon of hot water and a tablespoon of Castile with 2 tablespoons of neem and shake to break it down. This is a good product for me and it has been working good. Update: it has now been about 2 months since I have been doing the soil soak. I have been increasing the neem oil to about twice the amount pour, and all the roses are going crazy with dozens of new buds on every plant and still not one stinking rose-eating bug. This has been totally organic and it has been acting like a fertilizer. The bees still are roaming around everything without any regards and have been increasing pollinating everything. I had pests which were terrorizing the rose of Sharon, lavender, hydrangeas and others, chewing the hell out of the leaves making them look like Swiss cheese, but all stopped since they have been getting the neem oil soil soak also. Really a good remedy. Forget about spraying the plants, do the soak. I'm so pleased with how well this worked. The smell is strong, but that's Mother Nature's fault, lol. I just tried not to breath it in. I also wore gloves and sprayed them down away from where we hang out outside. Being it's summer, I let them hang out outside for a few days under my table umbrella and would check on them daily. I would say 90% of the aphids were dead by day 1, and by day 3 any leftovers slowly died off as well. The plants didn't get any burns at all. In fact, I feel like they all look healthier and stronger than before all this happened. I would 100% recommend this. I plan on doing this bi-yearly to all my plants as a way to prevent infestations in the future. This neem oil has been effective for treating the insect pests on my sago palms and wild hibiscus plants. It comes as a concentrate in a tiny jug with handle. The oil is gooey and viscous. I mixed 1 tablespoon of the neem oil with 1 teaspoon of liquid dish detergent in a glass measuring cup. Then I added that to 1 gallon of warm tap water in my pump sprayer. The neem oil has an unusual smell, but it is not as strong as deer repellent. This small jug of concentrate will go a long way for treating my plants. I am pleased with the product. Number 1. Harris Neem Oil NEM 8C. This is Harris Neem Oil, a cold-pressed, water-soluble concentrate. It's perfect for various applications. It's cold-pressed to maintain its quality and effectiveness. You can trust it to deliver superior results. This concentrate is easy to mix with water, making application simple and convenient. No more messy dilutions. Just one bottle makes 12 gallons of solution, giving you excellent value for your money. That's a lot of coverage. This is the 8-ounce bottle, conveniently identified as Neem 8C. It's the perfect size for many uses. It's ready to use right out of the bottle. Simply dilute with water according to the instructions. What we like? It's a water-soluble concentrate that makes 12 gallons of solution. If you need a large quantity of neem oil solution for your plants, this is the most economical and efficient choice. Its high concentration ensures effectiveness while saving you money and effort. What people say. I noticed that 2 teaspoons added to 32-ounce water kills those nasty black-orange oleander caterpillars that destroy this beautiful tree and keeps them off for a while. Harris neem oil has been a lifesaver during the first several weeks of my summer vegetable garden. Simply mix a cap full per quart of water. It mixes very well and is water-soluble better than any other oil I have tried to mix with water. This is very effective for personals such as squash bugs and their nymphs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.